Take a picture of me, sir, please.
Oh, are you okay?
No.
It's okay, buddy.
What was that for?
I didn't do it to you. You did it to yourself. I didn't do it to you.
What?
You did it to yourself, silly
What
guy.
even was that for?
Okay, let's start the video. Blow out my face. Are you okay, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys. So I am back for another mukbang. One sec. I have my little baby brother here with me. Say your name.
I already did.
Oh, what's your name?
Cameron.
Yeah, Cameron. Cameron is a cutie, huh? He just got hurt a little bit, huh? Did you get hurt?
Yeah.
Oh, poor baby. Okay, Cameron wants some chips. There's some chips. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got Chipotle. Oh yeah, by the way guys, my head might be a little cut off. I'm not too sure, but I wanted to get a better look at the food. So here is the burrito. This is like the biggest burrito I've ever gotten. They had to get someone else to come and close it for her because she couldn't do it herself. So, it's pretty epic. And I feel like I should keep it in the tin foil. Oh, look him. So here's the burrito. I'm like salivating. What I give my burrito is white rice, chicken, the red hot sauce, extra corn salsa, sour cream, cheese, lettuce, guacamole, and I think that's it. And then on the side, I got the, just squirted everywhere. I got the salsa, and then I also got some chips. Oh. I do normally get a bowl, but I decided to live life on the edge. Alright, let's take our first bite. So good. I love Chipotle, guys. Like, love. Will it stand up? Oh, magic. The drink, I have Coke and then my water. So delicious. Yeah, I got 3 comments, which is awesome. Two hands. Want to eat another chip?
No, I'm full.
Okay. Bye. Thanks for joining my mukbang. So, I have to figure out how to be verified on YouTube because until I am, I can't post a video any longer than 15 minutes. Which I feel like is kind of sucky. Let me know what you guys get from Chipotle. Look, it's like nachos. A lot of people don't understand mukbangs. A lot of people I talk to, at least. I think I said this in one of my videos, but I've only met one person that watches mukbangs. Well, in real life. I'm sure more people than just that I know do, but they probably just don't talk about it, I guess. I love mukbangs. They are just so calming to me. Especially when people tell stories. I don't really know what story I could tell you guys. I don't know. I guess I could answer, like, not that anyone asks these questions. I'll ask my own questions. But, you want a chip? No? Okay. I am 18 years old. I love my family. My siblings, like, you guys might notice, my younger siblings, especially my sister, my younger sister is in a lot of my videos. I love her. She is so fun to be around. So, yeah, I'm definitely close to my family. My family is really awesome. Whenever I have a weird, crazy idea, they're always awesome and supporting it. Like, if I'm like, guys, I want to start doing mukbangs, and they're like, what's a mukbang? And I'm like, oh, I just eat on camera. And they're like, okay. But they're still supportive, even though it's so weird. I have 2 doggies and 1 fish. My mom fosters dogs, so 1 dog is actually ours and 1 is just a foster dog, but the dog that's actually ours is named Oso. That's Italian for little bear. He's a Chiweenie, which is a mix of a Chihuahua and a Wiener dog. But he kind of looks like a baby German Shepherd puppy, if that makes any sense. I'm American. I always have to say I'm Italian, but I'm barely Italian, so I don't really think it counts. I guess I'm Sicilian, not Italian. You know when you go to school in the beginning of the year and you have to talk about yourself, all be like about me? I'm always like, what do I put? Honestly, I don't really have any hobbies. Because I'm not that good at a lot of stuff. I'm just not like coordinated, I guess. But a lot of people don't consider these hobbies, so I'll just say things I enjoy doing. But the main thing is shopping. I could literally stay in the mall probably from open to close. Like, I have to spend at least like an hour in each store. Like if I go into Forever 21, I can probably spend 3 hours in there. It's a pretty impressive hobby, right? I'm kind of weird, I guess. I'd consider myself weird. I'm kind of shy. I guess it just depends on who I'm around and how comfortable I feel. I'm gonna get really full. My boyfriend FaceTimed me 30 minutes ago. Speaking of, look at what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm in the middle of my mukbang, so. What?
Why didn't you answer the first time?
I was getting food. What?
So,
I'm trying. Oh, my boyfriend's eating his ramen noodles that I got him. Oh my gosh, there's some guacamole still in this burrito and I just want to captivate it all. Let's wash this all down with some water. I'm healthy. Water is so good. Okay guys, so I couldn't finish it all because I'm a baby and I can never finish food all the way.